Greetings everyone. Today we have Ms. Shikha Singhal here. She's from Oxyco Private Limited, National Sales Head. Hello ma'am,
Hi,
how are you?
I'm doing good. I'm super excited to be here, back to my college.
It's been a privilege here to talk to you here ma'am. We have just few questions about your past history at Fintech and how is it helping you in your future career here. So can we have these questions ma'am?
Okay, so before I joined BIMTech, I was into the industry. I was working. So for me, it was actually a break of from work life to getting back to the college life. And those 2 years, I think the most memorable years for me, for my the if you say college life, I would say not even my graduation, but my post graduation, because it was more of a family, not just with students, but even with the faculty. The way the teachers have taught us, both theoretically and we were like family. They were on campus, so that is the reason even we are still connected right now. And the best part was that when it comes to professional exposure, that because you're in the campus and you want the exposure from outside, we had very good uh, guest faculties coming from the industry, giving us the insight of retail, of marketing skills, of service industry. And so it didn't feel as if, because that time, way back in 7 and 9, the social media, the search and so many applications and search engines were really not there. So whatever data and information you had were actually from the people, from the industry people. So the kind of exposure BIMTech had given, it really didn't feel that we are not connected. And having my batch mates from various backgrounds, from various parts of the country, some were experienced, some were freshers, some were, in fact, some were pursuing a second post graduation also. So that mixed batch really helped.
Alright ma'am. Moving on to the next question. Ma'am, you said that you were earlier working and then you get to the take a break and then you get to the education.
Right.
How did FinTech enhance you over that? Because doing a master's degree in management, it is basically to teach you how the management world works. But since you are already working, so you must be having that knowledge. So how
Right.
did FinTech added up to it?
See, any type of professional qualification always enhances some skill in you. That is always helpful. So I came from a management graduate. Being a management graduate, I am working in my own firm, having an experience into factory and all. I always wanted to work with a company called Nestle India.
Yes.
So that was my dream company where I really wanted to. And BIMTech was actually a bridge that I'm so thankful to. And being part of the retail, I have learned so many things, which probably a normal management, management course won't have really given me. The intricacies of retail, like how my colleague also said that about the mall management, about how the retail functions. So though it wasn't that much relevant for FMCG Nestle, but then I realized when I joined Nestle that I was much better than my team, or my, even for that matter, my boss. Because how the products are to be placed, where it is to be placed, what is the importance of keeping those products in which aisle, and the visual merchandising. Because I obviously come with a professional course and a degree, so obviously that respect came in. And I realized that even if you are in a retail industry or any brand, whether it's luxury, whether it's FMCG or consumer durables, this plays such an important role because it's a very specialized course and it really helped me.
Great.
I hope I answered your question.
Yes, ma'am, it did answer my question. And now I won't be asking you about any advice for the future students because I think I got a better one to ask.
Okay, please go ahead.
What is your favorite memory or flashback you can say from it?
Okay, that's a good one. There's so many memories. I mean, those
Perfect.
2 years. So I'll tell you, 2007, 2009 retail batch, I think was one of the craziest, naughtiest, yet most intelligent batch that the retail BIMTech, I'm sure, had. I can proudly say that. I'm sure the faculty would also agree. So, the batch was so good, and for the placement cell, since I was heading the placement cell with my another batchmate called Anku. So we both used to go to all the corporates to represent that कि पूरे जैसे हमने वो बीड़ा उठा रखा है कि पूरे बैच को तो हम ही दिलाएंगे नौकरी. That confidence that I gained in getting into all the big corporates, to the MNCs, me and Anku, we had such a good time. Though recession hit worse, it was the worst recession that was there in 2009, because of which obviously we were helpless. But the kind of the attachment, the connect the entire batch got, and the exposure we had in going there and bunking the lectures, that's I think the most memorable experience I had from MTech.
Are you suggesting us to bunk lectures?
No, I didn't say anything, and I'm not. See, sometimes it's fun also, and especially it's not called bunking. You're actually working for the for your team, for your college, because you're working in the placement cell. So it is okay. So in fact, once while I was gone for the placement work, I entered my class and the professor said, "Are you from this batch?" And the entire class started laughing because I was a CR. The professor doesn't remember that I am the CR of the batch. So yes, so placement work definitely is very good, and it's a learning experience altogether, I would say.
Thank you, ma'am. That's all the questions I had to ask you.
Thank you so much, and thank you for giving me this opportunity to
It
talk.
was a lovely opportunity for us, ma'am, to have you.
And I wish all the very best for all the students who are planning to pursue the courses and who are currently there, like you. Wishing you all the very best. Thank you.